next up, Sweet Little Lies for Handshake. In this, we need to locate Intel and take it all the way back to Handshake. This is relatively simple. We need to head all the way across to the far north side, lakeside villa of Midnight Sapphire, all the way on the far north side of the map. Zooming in, this is the building that we need to get to. Now, unfortunately, you will need a key to get in here, and that is the Villa Lusia Key over here. Once you have this from killing bots in the nearby area over here, you're able to find your way into it. What we'll do is head across to the lakeside over here, which is the far eastern side of this building, and we'll head across to this door over here. Once you open it up using the Lusia Key, you can head pretty much in to the right and across to this little coffee table over here, where there'll be a note on top of it just next to this couch over here. Once you pick up that, you'll need to head all the way back to spawn to hand it into Handshake. This is relatively simple. The only difficult part is finding this key on bots around this area over here, as there aren't so many that spawn here. They all spawn around the center hotel over here. But anyways, once you have the key, completing this quest is super easy. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.